Your R is your universal gas constant, which is 8.314 kilopascals times liters divided by moles times Kelvin, because then it cancels out everything. And what else you got? T is temperature in Kelvin. How do you convert from little t to big T? You add 273.15, because 0 Kelvin is minus 273.15 degrees Celsius. Remember that graph, and you had to extrapolate it, and you went down, and that was where all gases are 0. It's exciting. That was absolute 0. Remember that? Okay, let's do another one. Ammonia, which is widely used as a fertilizer, is produced from the reaction of nitrogen and hydrogen. So it's like a formation reaction. What volume of ammonia at this pressure and temperature can be obtained from complete reaction of hydrogen? Okay, so we have nitrogen plus hydrogen I almost forgot. And it is a gas. And it makes ammonia. Now ammonia is one of those memorization ones. What is ammonia? NH3. And since we're dealing with gas laws, we're assuming that at this temperature and pressure, it's going to be gaseous, okay? All right, let's balance this out. So from, here's 2 N's and here's 1, so I'm going to put a 2 there. How many H's do I have now? 6, so I'm going to put a 3, and now I'm balanced. So what do I want to find? I want to find volume of ammonia, so that's my wanted. And my given is my hydrogen. So let's start this. So our mass is equal to 7.5 kilograms. What should I put that into? Grams. Indeed. So divide by, times by 1,000. .5 times 10 to the 3 grams. Your molar mass needs to be 1.01 times by 2. Because if you look at one molecule of hydrogen, there's 2 atoms present. So you could kind of mental math that one. 2.02 grams per mole. So our N is equal to mass divided by molar mass. 7.5 times 10 to the positive 3 divided by 2.02. So N is 3.712 times 10 to the positive 3 moles. So now we can do our molar ratio. So N is equal to 3.712 times 10 to the power of 3 multiplied by wanted, which is 2, divided by given, which is 3. So your N will equal 2,475 moles. Yes? Okay. Did you get that? But we don't have SATP or STP, so we need to write down our volume, pressure, temperature, and solvent. So my P is 450 kilopascals, which I can leave as kilopascals. My T, I'm going to go, my capital T is equal to 80 plus 273.15. So capital T is equal to 353.15 Kelvin. And my R is equal to 8.314 kPa times liters over moles times Kelvin. So I'm just going to go over to this side where I have more space now. So my N is equal to PV divided by RT. I'm not going to put in the units because I will run out of space.
Aren't you looking for your volume?
Did I go too fast? What did I need to do?
You're looking through volume because you already have.
Oh yeah, sorry, thank you. What was I wasn't thinking. That's the problem. Okay, so V is equal to nRT over P. There we go. So we have 2.5 times by 8. I'm going to run out of room. How do I do this? Can I just write the answer? Evan's okay with that. So I got 1.6 times 10 to the 4 liters when I put it to sig digs. Yes? Hooray! Okay, so